Tyagaraja, you thought well about Krishna. And I agreed. Immediately you said these are the flaws in him. This is why I won't be able to meditate upon him. Again you are coming back to the same point. In Tamil it is called Adiyat Toduda Bharata Bhatta. Again you are coming back to the same point. You do not know whom you want to meditate upon. You started with Krishna and then said, why I will not meditate upon Krishna. Whom are you going to meditate upon? You have called me as a guru. I have come here and I am spending time with you. We should spend some quality time. Tell me the qualities of the person whom you want to meditate upon. Be very specific. That is when Tyagaraja says, I will give you a list. Sir, he should look like Indraneela Mani. It is said that there is one large sapphire rock. It will look a bit dusty from outside. When you dynamite it and break it, you will be able to see a blue hue that will just hit on your eye. That's called Indraneelam. Sapphire. Maybe they were sapphires from Sri Lanka. So Indraneela Mani Sannipapa Gana Apagana Sannibha Apagana. So his body should have the hue of the radiance of the sapphire. Chandra Surya Nayana. His eyes should resemble the sun and the moon. Now if you are an astronomy student, you will say, sir, moon is many times smaller than earth. Sun is many times bigger than earth. And if you say one eye should be the sun, the other eye should be the moon, in our old Tamil movies we will get Ottakannu Kabali. One eye will be small, the other eye will be big. How will he look, sir? This is where we need to understand. When Shastram gives an explanation or a description of Parabrahman, we should not take it completely. We should take the essence of it. For example, Purusha Suktam tells, how is Purusha? Sahasra Shirashah Purushaha, he has got 1,000 heads. Sahasrakshaha, he has got 1,000 eyes. If each head has 2 eyes, then there should be 2,000 eyes. Then why are there 1,000 heads and 1,000 eyes? Because it is to say, eyes are meant to see. When I say that Purusha has thousands and thousands and thousands of eyes, it means he can see us literally everywhere. This is the meaning. That means he is there everywhere and he is seeing us. Avyayaha Purushaha Sakshi Kshetragnyaha Aksharayevacha say Sahasranama. He is there everywhere. We should not construe a person with 1,000 necks. We should put 1,000 heads there, one eye there. See, we are so artistic that we want to build a 3D model of everything that we read. This is where we go wrong. We have to take the essence of that description. So when I say one eye is the sun, the other eye is the moon, it means these are the astronomical bodies that are very close to our earth, which give us light. Now you may say, moon doesn't give light of its own, it takes the light of the sun. And well, from our eyes perspective, moon gives us rays, the sun gives us rays. That's all. So he is the one who illuminates the earth that we are in. So his eyes are our torchlights. Chandra Surya Nayana Aprameya. They are incomparable, peerless. Chandra Surya are his eyes. Kadir Madiyam Pol Mugattan. Tingalum Adityanum எழுந்தார் போல். Andal tells. In Vishnu Sahasranamam, in the Purvangam, we say Chandra Surya Uchanetre Karna Vashaha. So here he says Chandra Surya Nayana Aprameya. He should have no comparison. Vagindra Janaka. Janaka means the one who is the father of whom? Vagindra. The one who is the leader of Vak, who is Saraswati, who is Brahma. Brahma's father, Narayanad Brahma Jayate, says Upanishad. Narayana created Brahma. Nanmuganai Narayanan Padaittan, says Tirumazhi Alvar in Nanmugan Tiruvandadi. So Vagindra Janaka, the one who is being revered by Brahma, Sakalesha, the one who is the leader, the lord of all, Shubhra, no spot, no blemish. Nagendra Shayana, the one who reclines on the serpent couch of the 1,000-hooded, white-hued Adisesha. Nagendra Shayana, Shamana Vairi, the one who is the enemy to Yama. Sir, how is he the enemy to Yama? Because Yamadevata has been given the task of taking down the time of death of every person. That's Yama's job. Shamana Vairi, why is he referred to as the enemy of Yama? Yama is doing his duty. But it is said in Shastram that for Ajamila, when Yamadutas came, there was a tug of war between Yamadutas and Vishnu Dutas. Vishnu Dutas said, you have no jurisdiction over him because he is a Vaishnava. So we have jurisdiction over him. That is why Yama vadati kila tasya karnamule. It seems Yama well used to dispatch his men, recovery agents, he used to call them. Vadati Yama kila tasya karnamule, close to their ears. See, you have to put your pasham, your rope, only on people who are avaishnavas. Anyarnamna Vaishnavanam, says Puranam. So, thereby, Tyagaraja says, with this pramanam, the Lord is the enemy to Yama. Shamana Vairi, Sannuta. So, Yama, Brahma, Isha, all of them praise him. So, I want to keep my mind focused on him, says Tyagaraja to Narada.
इन्द्रनीलमणि सन्निभापघन चन्द्र सूर्य नयना प्रमेय वागीन्द्र जनक सकलेश शुभ्र नागेन्द्र शयन शमन वैरि सन्नुत जग आनन्द कारक.
What are the other functions that he has to perform? Asked Narada Maharshi. Srishti Sthiti Antakaraka. So he is the one who should be the cause for the creation, sustenance and dissolution. That is why Kambar says, Ulagam Yavayum Tam Ula Akkalum Nilai Perittalum Nikkalum Ningala. Ramanujar says, Akhila Bhuvana Janmas Thema Bhanga Adi Lile. So Srishti Sthityantakaraka Amita Kamita Phalada. So the one who grants us the fruits that we have desired over and above our status. Asamana Gatra. He should have the Divyamangala Vigraham which is incomparable. When Tirumangayalvar ನಮ್ಮ ದ್ರಮಿಡ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಆಳ್ವಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವೇ, ಈ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ತಿರುಮಂಗೈಯಾಳ್ವಾರು ಅವರು ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರಬಂಧ ಷಟ್ ಪ್ರಬಂಧ. பெரிய திருமொழி, பெரிய திருமடல், சிறிய திருமடல், திருக்குறுந்தாண்டகம், திருநெடுந்தாண்டகம், திருವೆಳುಕುಚ್ಚಿರುಕ್ಕೈ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 6 ಪ್ರಬಂಧಾಸ್. ಆ ಪ್ರಬಂಧದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಮಂಗೈಯಾಳ್ವಾರು ಒவ்வೊಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ದಿವ್ಯದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯನ್ನು ತಮಿಳ್ ಪಾಸುರವಾಗ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನವಾದ ಒಂದು ಪಟ್ಟಿನ ನಾಗಪಟ್ಟಿನಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯರಾಜ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು. ಸೌಂದರ್ಯರಾಜಂ, ನಂದನಂದನ ರಾಜಂ, ನಾಗಪಟ್ಟಿನ ರಾಜಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ ಮುತ್ತುಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತರು. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ವೆನ್ ತಿರುಮಂಗೈಯಾಳ್ವಾರ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್, he is bereft of words looking at the Lord's beauty. பொன்னிவர் மேனி மரதகத்தின் பொங்கிளம் சோதி அகலத்தாரம் மின்னிவர் வாயில் நல் வேதம் ஓதும் வேதியர் வானவர் ராவர் தோழி என்னையும் நோக்கி என் அல்குலும் நோக்கி என் திளங் கொங்கையும் நோக்குகின்னான் அன்னே என் நோக்கும் அஞ்சுகின்னேன் அச்சோ ஒருவர் அழகியவா. அச்சோ, this word is like wow, hooray, alas. These are all not exact words that Shakespeare or Wordsworth coined. These are all expressions that come out when you are loss of words. So acho, achacho, acho oruvar alagiva. He is so handsome. So he is asamana gatra, shachipati nuta. He is the one who is being celebrated by Indra. Now all these characteristics what Tyagaraja is pointing is towards Rama. Where did Indra celebrate him? At the start of Ramayanam he says, Indra goes and says, please protect this world from Ravana Kumbhakarna. So he falls at the feet of the Lord. That is when the Lord says, Siddha Gandharva Yakshascha Tataswam Sharanam Gataha, I will protect you all. Abhaya Pradhanam. Second, when Rama was in the forest on the exile, while he was getting inside Agastya Ashramam, Indra was walking out of Agastya Ashramam too. Indra's Amsham manifestation was Vali. So, by delivering Vali from the sin of having abducted his brother's wife, he is being praised by Vali. Avipon melevai arivu tandu arulinai, says Kamban. while I'm dying, you have given me this Vedantic knowledge, Rama. I missed all these days. So Indra again has been corrected. Last, during Pattabhishekam, Indra did not come to the Pattabhishekam of Rama. He sent one parcel, one jewel parcel, one mala parcel through Blue Dart. That is when Rama saw that the one who sought asylum in him did not come. That is why in Krishna Avataram, in Govinda Pattabhishekam, nobody else came but Indra. In Rama Pattabhishekam, everybody else came but Indra. In Govinda Pattabhishekam, nobody else came but Indra. So here he says, Srishti Sthityantakaraka Amitakamita Phalada Asamanagatra Shachipatinuta Abdhimadaharana Nuraga Raga Rajita Kathasarahita. So that saram of his life history is what that is going to engage me and you also, Narada Maharshi, says Tyagaraja.
सृष्टिस्थित्यन्तकारक अमितकामितफलद असमानगात्र शचीपतिनुता विमदहरानुरागरागराजितगत सारहित जगदानन्दकारक.
Do you want to see more qualities in him, hey Narada Maharshi? I will list it down, says Tyagaraja. Pada Vijita Mauni Shapa. Mauni, that Muni who gave Shapam to his very own wife Ahalya for infidelity. Pada Vijita Mauni Shapa. Who gave her Vimochanam? Lord Rama. Namastasmai Kasmai Chana Bhavatu Nishkinchana Jana Swayam Raksha Diksha Swayam Adhika Samindhana Yashase Suradhisha Swai Rakshana Kupita Shapa Yudavadu Drishatta Durjata Prashamana Padambhoja Rajase, says Vedanta Deshika in Abhay Pradana Saram. It was the dust that emanated with the golden padukas that were associated with the lotus-like feet of the Lord as he was walking with the gait of a majestic elephant that fell upon the stone laid Ahalya and redeemed her from the curse that was uttered on her by her husband. Padavi Jita Mauni Shapa. Next is Savaparipala, the one who vowed to protect the sacrifices performed, the yajnam performed by Vishwamitra. Savaparipala. So the first episode, Padavi Jita Mauni Shapa, has been mentioned by Tyagaraja in another Kriti, Sri Rama Padama in Amritavahini. Savaparipala, he has made a mention of this in Sashivadhana in another Kriti. Next comes Varamantra Grahana Lola. Thereby he grasped the meaning of Gayatri Mantra. I was thinking all these days, why has Tyagaraja put this line here? We can just go explaining. Varamantra Grahana Lola, the one who has grasped Gayatri Mantra. Paramashanta, the one who is calm. This is not the way an Upanyasam goes. We have to tell why he has connected there. That is when Tyagaraja blessed me with an insight. The first letter of the first shloka of every set of 1000 shlokas in Ramayanam, when put together, will give you Gayatri Mantra. Let's take the first set of 1000 shlokas. The first shloka of the set of 1000 is Tapaswadhyaya Niratam. What is the first letter of it? Ta. The next set of 1000 shlokas, what is the first shloka? It is here. Satena Paramastrena Manavena Samanjasa. So it begins with Sa. So in Gayatri Mantram, Tat, Sat, Ta and then Sa. So it begins with Sa. And here, this shloka, what I am referring to, Te Satena Paramastrena, is the shloka where he has killed Subahu and driven away Maricha. That is during the while the sacrifice was being performed. So he says Sava Paripala, while the sacrifices were performed, Vara Mantra Grahana Lola. The mantram is Gayatri Mantram. So exactly it matches to that particular verse. So Tyagaraja must have put Vara Mantra Grahana Lola, Parama Shanta, very calm. See, he was called and said, you have to become the heir apparent. He said, okay, done. Like emoticon you put with that, right? Smiley face he put. Immediately one message came. Sorry, the plan has changed. You have to go to the forest. Again he put the same smiley. So Parama Shanta. Parama Shanta Chitta. His mind is so calm. Janakajadhipa. Janakaja is the daughter of Janaka, who is Sita. Adhipa, the lord of Sita. Janakaja Adhipa. Saroja Bhavavarada, the one who grants boons to the one who was born in lotus, Saroja Bhava. Varada, hey, the Lord of Kanchipuram, aren't you the one who's blessing? Because Tyagaraja has sung on the Lord of Kanchipuram, right? So he immediately calls Varada, Akhila, and he continues.
पादविजितमौनिशापसव परिपालवनमन्त्रग्रहणलोल परमशान्तचित्तजनकज धिप सरोज भववरदा अखिल जगदानन्दकारक.
Narada Maharshi said, hey Tyagaraja, this is very interesting. What happened after that? He gave Shapa Vimochanam to Ahalya. He killed Subahu, drove away Maricha, killed Tataka, and received the mantram from Vishwamitra. What happened after that? Hey Maharishi, hey Narada Maharshi, you know what happened after that? He walked into Mithilapuri. As he walked, the women looked at him. Tol kandar, tole kandar. Tolugamalam, tal kandar, tale kandar. People who looked at his vibrant, wide shoulders and arms kept looking at it. When will you keep looking at something? Only when that doesn't bore you. Somebody looks at us for a second and then goes back. Only for 1 second we can engage them. That is the implication. Tol kandar, tole kandar. They kept looking at him. Tolugamalam tal kandar. The one who looked at his feet first was having her eyes just on his feet. He went in. Janaka expressed his worry to Vishwamitra. My daughter is 6 years old. I'm so worried she's not married. In my house, we are struggling now for the online class. 6 years. Their father was worried about marriage. So finally, Vishwamitra said, I have known that there is a beautiful bow, Shiva's bow in your palace. Can you please show it to Ram? Ram is very much interested in seeing all these war equipments. They brought that bow. That is when Vishwamitra said, Vatsarama Dhanuh Pashya iti Raghavam Abraveet. Hey Rama, my dear child, Vatsarama Dhanuh Pashya. Go and see the bow and come. What I would have done, I would have seen and come back. Patute. ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಸರ್, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ರೈಟ್? பார்த்துட்டே ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கு, நம்மளும் நம்ம மாத்துக்கு ஒன்று வாங்கணும். But what did Rama do? He went and lifted. That is why they say in English, read between the lines. Here he read between the words. What did Vishwamitra say? Vatsarama dhanuhu Pashya. Eduthu par. That eduthu is hidden. That is why in Tamil they say, if you have to be smart, if someone asks while cooking, Ellu, you should be ready with that cold pressed oil. Ennai. Elluna ennayai nirka vendum. So he went and lifted. That is when Janaka said, thank God, today I was worried about my daughter's life. Without any matrimony advertisement, she is going to get married. Sita, get that nice garland. Rama said, see, in this avataram, only if my father approves, I will marry her. Dara pitrikrita iti. Only if my father agrees. Sita looked at her friend. See, my husband follows rules so much. She wanted to look at him. Her friends are having all their eyes. The media is looking at her. Whether she is looking at Rama. That is when she wanted to look at him, but she wanted a good cause. So she had loose bangles. So they were decked one after the other. So she let them flow. So as they were going close to the end of her palm, they made that noise and the girl started concentrating on her set of bangles. All their eyes were on the bangles. While she was trying to adjust them, she looked through her corner glances. Kala kala manumukha kala galigina sita kulukuchu ora kannulanu juche ninu. With her corner glances, she was able to see. Sir, how did Valmiki know this, sir? Valmiki did not know. This particular CCTV footage is available only with Tyagaraja. So Tyagaraja says, I saw what she did. Kala
kala kala manumukha kala galigina sita kulukuchu ora kannulanu juche ninnu kana kana
What happened next, sir? Asked Narada Maharshi. Tyagaraja said, see, while they were in the forest, Rama was adorning his broad forehead with the musk tilakam. So he says, Mriga Mada Lalama Shubha Nitila. With that he was walking and searching for Sita. Ha Sita, where are you? And there he saw the dying scavenger, Jatayu. Vara Jatayu Moksha Phalada. As he was seeing Jatayu suffering for his life, Mayatvam Samanugnato Gachalokan Anuttaman. Rama said, you have to go to Vaikuntham, I grant you moksham. Vara Jatayu Moksha Phalada. Later, when Sita was languishing in the prison of Ashokavanam in Lanka, Hanuman went. And she is now very careful. She asked, show me your Aadhaar card. Are you from India or not? To show me. So then she asked, can you please describe how my husband Rama looks? I will check whether you have come from D Ram or some other Ram. So immediately he said, Pavamana Sutudu, who is Hanuman, Needu Mahima Telpa Sita Telisi Valachi Sokkaleda. He said, Mata, though I am a Navavyakarana Pandita with the best of vocabulary in my tongue, Jihwagra Simhasanam Abhyupeyaha. See, a speaker is the one who shouldn't be fumbling for words. See, exactly that word. Speaker. It should keep coming. Some people say, sir, think and speak. You should think and speak, but the gap should not be too much. I would like to. It should be very, very crisp. You should find the right words. You should be able to string them into a sentence. Give the right articulation and speak. So a Navavyakarana Pandita like Hanuman is speaking and Sita is listening. Hanuman, can you please describe Rama to me? Mata, if I have to describe his eyes like that of the lotus, the lilies are coming and fighting with me. Why aren't you giving me as the comparison, the simile to his eyes? If I speak of his feet that can redeem anybody from the sins, Brahma and Indra are coming and falling at my feet telling me, please put me there. Mata, how can I describe that form which is beyond the scope of my vocabulary? While he was saying this, Sita was amazed hearing Hanuman's commentary. So, Tyagaraja says, Pavamana Sutudu Needu Mahima Telpa Sita Telisi Valachi Sokkaleda. Ariti Nannu, he says.
Mrigamadalama Shubhanidila Varajatayu Moksha Phalada Pavamana Sutudu Needu Mahima Telpa Sita Telisi Valachi Sokkaleda. Riti Ninnu Kana Kana Ruchira Kana Vasana.
As Tyagaraja was describing the qualities of Rama in the order of Bala, Ayodhya, Aranya Kandam, now comes Kishkinda Kandam, where he says he is the one whose qualities you cannot count. It doesn't mean they aren't there. You cannot count them. Aganita Guna. How is his dress? He looks like as if he has walked out of a pond filled with golden water. Kanaka Chela. What has he done to prove his valor? Sala Vidalana. So he was able to pierce one arrow into the large 7 shala trees. Arunabha Samana Charana. His feet look like the rising sun with the hue of Aruna, red. Apara Mahima, the one whose greatness is beyond our scope of understanding. Adbhutasu Kavijana Hritsadana. He is always residing in the heart lotus of all the poets with the best of the scholastic achievements who sing praises about him. Sura Muni Gana Vihita. Muni Ganas also sing praises about him. Kalasha Neera Nidhija Ramana. From the churning of the ocean came the Kalasham filled with Amritam. Kalasha Neera. Along with that Sudha, who came? Sri Mahalakshmi, who Sudha Sudha, Amudilum Amudai Vanda Pennamudu, Lakshmi Kshira Samudra Raja Tanayam. So she is called Nidhija. Who is he? The beloved Ramana. Kalasha Neera Nidhija Ramana. See, in poetry, we should be very careful about connecting words. Whom am I singing praises about? The Lord. If that is the case, then I cannot write poetry. So Periyalvar says, I am singing the praises of the one who has got the flag with the emblem of Garuda, who is the enemy to Adisesha, that has got a sack of poison. Payyudai Naga Pagai Kodiyanukku Pallandu Kurudume. So he says, Kalasha Neera Nidhija Ramana. What does he do to me? Hey Narada, listen, I have committed sins, sacks and sacks and sacks. And those sins have now personified as a lion, as an elephant. And to that elephant which is filled with sins, he is that pouncing lion which can destroy that elephant filled with sins. Papa Gaja Nrisimha. What does he do to me? Varatyagaraja Nuta.
Aganita Gunagana Kachera Sala Vidalana Runa Bhasamana Charana Paramahima Nuda Sukalijan Vesanana Sunamuni Gana Vita Kalashani Nidhijaraman Papa Gajan Simha Varatyagaraja Nuta
Tyagaraja, while he was talking to Narada Maharshi, he suddenly heard the voice of a parrot. He said, Narada Maharshi, please, now see this Shuka. Shuka is a parrot. Shaku is a bird. So look at this Shuka. Because parrot is one of the birds which is believed when domesticated can actually get very close to the human voice. Ranga. There used to be a mandapam called Ranga Mandapam. So they can imitate is what most of the people who domesticate birds say. So he says, Omkara Panjara Kira. Kira is a parrot. That is in a Panjaram. Mamava Shiva Panjara Shuki Pankaja Mukhi Guru Guha Ranjani, says Dikshitar. Omkara Panjara Kira. The parrot is now seated in the cage, which is actually Omkaram. Akara, Ukaram, Akaram. What does that do? Purahara. So there is Purahara, the one who has destroyed the three Puras, Tripura Samhara. Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishweshwaraya Mahadevaya Travayambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagnikalaya Kalagni Rudraya Mrityunjayaya Sadashivaya Shriman Mahadevaya Namaha. Tripurantaka, Tripura Antaka, Purahara. So Purahara, who else worships him? Saroja Bhava, Brahma. Then what is the next word? Keshavadi. Why should he put the word Keshava? I thought. Then I came up with one answer. I don't know whether it will convince you. In Sri Mahabharatam, there is a Vakyam. Kaha iti brahmano nama ishoham sarvadehinam. Why is the Lord called Keshava? Kaha, ka letter with two dots. Kaha means Brahma. Isha means Lord Shiva. The one who has in his body both Brahma and Shiva. Kaha and Isha is called Keshava. That is how the word comes into existence. Kaha iti brahmano nama ishoham sarvadehinam. Who is Kaha? Brahma. Who is Saroja Bhava? Who is Isha? Purahara. Purahara Saroja Bhava. Keshavadi. How beautifully it gets linked. Keshavadi Rupa. Vasavaripu Janakantaka. Again we'll have to go. Who is Rama now? Vasava Ripu. Vasava is Indra. Ripu is his enemy. Who is he? Indrajit. Who is Indrajit's father? Ravana. So, Vasava Ripu Janakantaka. Antaka, end, to the father of Indra's enemy, Indrajit. So, Vasava Ripu Janakantaka, Kaladhara Kaladharapta. The one who is the Apta, the friend, to the who is the friend who has moon with various kalas as his kala, which means Lord Shiva, who has got the ornament of Chandra, who has got various kalas. So it is Kaladhara Kaladharapta Grinakara, the one who is very compassionate. Sharanagata Jana Palana, the one who gives asylum. Sakrideva Prapannaya Tavasmiti Chayachate Abhayam Sarva Bhutebhyaha Dadamyetad Vratam Mama. When Lakshmana performed Sharanagati, he accepted. When Bharata performed Sharanagati, he accepted after 14 years. When Rishis Tevayam Bhavata Raksha Bhavad Vishayavasinaha Nagarastho Vanastho Va Tvamno Raja Janeshwaraha, while they performed, he accepted. When Vibhishana performed, he accepted. Sharanagata Janapalana Sumanoramana, the one whose heart and mind is so charming. Nirvikara, it does not undergo any change. Avikaraya Shuddhaya, Nirvikara. Nigama Saratara, isn't he the very essence of Nigamam? How do we begin Bhagavatam? Nigama Kalpataroho Galitam Phalam. Now he says, Nigama Saratara Jagadada.
Omkara Panjara Kira Purahara Saroja Bhavakeshava. Omkara Panjara Kira Purahara Saroja Bhavakeshava. Nirupa Vasavari Pujana Kanta Kaladhara Kaladharapta Grinadhara Sharanagata Jana Palana Sumanoramana Nirvikar Nigama Saratara Jagadada.
Narada Maharshi asked, Tyagaraja, why did you ask the Vidushis to sing this charanam twice? Because Omkaram has Akara, Ukara, Makaram. Akaram is Paramatma Vachakam, Makaram is Jivatma Vachakam. One, to put our prayers to Paramatma once. One, to make us realize the second time. Now, as he is the ancient Lord, while Andal was to be married to the Lord of Srirangam, her friends made fun of her. You're such a small girl. And you're getting married to this old man, Purana Purusha. Similarly, he is the ancient Lord who has been mentioned. Na Brahmana Ishanaha Namedhyava Prithvi. Sadeva Soumya Idamagrasiti Ekameva Dvitiyam. When there was nothing in this world, he was the only one without a second. He was a nulli secundus. So here it goes. Purana Purusha. Nrivaratmaja. But who is that Purana Purusha now? Now he is born as the son of Dasharatha, Chakravarti Tirumagan. Atmanam Manusham Manye Ramam Dasharathatmajam. Somebody will go and tell Rama, you are Parabrahmam. No, I am D. Ram. My father is Dasharatha. Both of us go to ration shop and buy rice and come. Normal people we are. Nrivaratmaja Ashrita, Ashrita Paradhina. The one who is the asylum for those who seek asylum. Ashrita Paradhina. What did he do? In Aranya Kandam, Kishkinda Kandam and Yuddha Kandam, Khara, Viradha, Ravana, Viravana. The one who annihilated the demons like Khara, Viradha, Karadushana Trishiras, right? Ravana, Anagha, but he is celebrated by Parashara Manohara. He is being celebrated by Parashara and Vishnu Puranam. Avikrita Tyagaraja Sannuta. He is also being celebrated by this primitive person called Tyagaraja.
Purana Purusha Nrivaratmaja Shrita Paradhina Khara Viradha Ravana Viravana Anagha Parashara Manohara Vikrita Tyagaraja Sannuta Jaganananda Karaka.
Narada asked Tyagaraja, initially you started with Krishna giving positive statements about him. And then you said, there are some things which are not acceptable to me, so I will describe the characteristics again. Now from Balakandam, Ayodhya Kandam, Aranya Kandam, Kishkinda Kandam, Sundara Kandam, Yuddha Kandam, you've listed the qualities that you see of Parabrahmam in Rama. But Rama's time is over, Tyagaraja. That is Dwapara Yugam. Now, in Kali Yugam, whom do you see that Parabrahmam in? He said, sir, a few 100 miles from here, if I see a beautiful hill. It is actually a range. Srimad Makhila Mahi Mandala Dharani Dhara Mandala Khandalasya Nikhila Sura Suravandita Varaha Kshetra Vibhushanasya Sesha Chala Garuda Chala Simha Chala Vrishabha Chala Narayana Chala Anjana Chala Drishikharimala Kulasya. Amidst the valley that is formed by the 7 hills is my Lord Srinivasa. If I climb his hill, all my sins get destroyed. I see that Lord in Sri Venkatesha. So he says, Sri Venkatesha Swaprakasha Sarvunnata Sajjana Manasa Niketana Kanakambara. He's always decked in gold. Dhara Lasan Makuta Kundala. He has got all those ornaments. Virajita Harayunuchu. Ne Pogadaga Tyagaraja. Now as Tyagaraja, I wish to sing praises about that Venkatesha.
Shri Venkatesha Swaprakash Sarvonnata Sajjana Manasa Niketana Kanakambara Dharala Sanmakuta Kundala Virajita Harayanuchure Pogadaga Tyagaraja Keyudu Manavenudaina Ramachandrudu Samayaniki Tavu Mataladane.
Narada said, Hey Tyagaraja, you are going so far from your place. How will you go? In the border they will ask for RT-PCR certificate. How will you go into Andhra? Elak potavu? Ikkade unnaru kada Swami varu. Where, sir? Very close to Thiruvayyar. Oh, the one who is sleeping on the serpent couch which is about the Seshapeetham below the Pranavakara Vimanam. Amidst the Tirumana Thoon, the pillars, you're talking about him? Yes, the same Ranganatha. Sir, yes sir, I forgot Ranganatha. He has the greatness of having Kaveri on both sides. And you know what is Kaveri? She is holier than Ganga. Ganga had association with his feet only once. Ganga Janakudu, with Ganga Janakudu she had association once, whereas Kaveri has Nitya association. Dugdhabir Janako Jananyahamiyam Shrireva Putri Varaha Shri Rangeshwara Meta Darhamiha Kim Kurvami Divakula Chanchachamara Chandra Chandana Maha Manikya Muktotkaran Kaveri Lahari Karair Vidadati Devasahaiva Shriya. When Kaveri wants to meet her daughter Ranganayaki and son-in-law Ranganatha in Srirangam near Trichy, she jumps from Kodagu in Talakaveri. Then she jumps again in Hogganekkal, Shivana Samudram. And on her way, she has to buy some gifts for her son-in-law and daughter. So she brings together some sandal sticks because they all fall from the trees into her. Gems are being thrown, sapphires, rubies, opals, amethyst, whichever stone you name, they're all thrown. Chanchachamara Chandra Chandana Mahamanikya Muktotkaran Kaveri Lahari. And as she comes flowing, crossing Erode, Karur and Mohanur, and then she comes to Srirangam, she wants to embrace her daughter and son-in-law and she divides herself into two, says Parashara Bhatta. That Ranganatha can't you worship? Shri Rangeshudu Sad Ganga Janakudu Sangeeta Sampradaya Kudu. That is why they say, on the banks of Kaveri, if you're born or nurtured, music comes to you just like that. I was born in Bangalore by the banks of Kaveri. It hasn't come. In certain cases, it may fail. In certain cases, it may be successful. There is exception to every rule.
Rangeshudu Sadganga Janakudu Sangeeta Sampradaya Kudu Samayaniki Tavu Mataladane.
Now, Tyagaraja again finished his description. Narada said, see, you are now very clear whom to meditate upon. So you have described Rama clearly based on the episodes as listed by Valmiki Maharshi in Srimad Ramayana, no doubt. But whom do you aspire to be? See, you are going to meditate on Rama, but whom do you want to be? No. Tyagaraja said, I have to think on these lines. I will get back to you shortly. Right, but I cannot get back to you shortly. This is a time-bound Harikatha. So Tyagaraja got back and said, I should be like Hanuman. He said, Kaminchi Premamira Karamula Nidupada Kamalamula పట్టుకొన్ను వాడు సాక్షి రామనామ రసికుడు. Who can relish, cherish and experience the essence of Ramanamam like Hanuman? Kailasha Sadanudu Sakshi. Isn't even the Lord who sits atop the Kailasha Parvatam, Lord Shiva, also a witness? Mariyu Narada Parashaka. Now he tells, further I'll tell who are the people who will experience Ramanamam. Narada, Parashara. He tells, Narada, you are an example. Parashara Maharshi, hey Vishnu Purana Karta, you are an example. Shuka Shaunaka of Bhagavatam, you are an example. Purandara, who's Indra. Nagaja, the daughter of the mountains, Parvatavardhini, Parvati. Dharaja Mukhyulu, people who are important, VVVVIPs on this earth. Sakshikada Sundaresha Sukhakalashambudhi Vasashritu Leke. So he tells about how all these people are engaged in bhakti one after the other. I aspire to be a dust of the feet of one of them.
కామించి ప్రేమ మీర కరమున నీరు పాద కమలమున పట్టుకొను వాడు సాక్షి రామనామ రసికుడు కైలాస సదనుడు సాక్షి మరియు నారద పరాశర శుక శౌనక పురందర నగజా ధరజ ముఖ్యులు సాక్షి గాన సుందరేశ సుఖగణ శాంబుదివస శ్రుతులకే కనకర
Are there more inspirations? Are there people who can inspire you more? Was Narada's question. Tyagaraja said, why not? Hey Narada Maharshi, you have been speaking to Valmiki from those earlier times. Valmiki is my inspiration. Hasn't he sung on Rama Karadhrita Sharajala? The one who has got the radiant bow and sharp arrows, who can create a magic with his archery. Karadhrita Sharajala. What did he do, that Rama? Asuramadhapaharana. The one who vanquished the pride, the unnecessary, unwarranted ego of the demons. Avani Sura Suravana. So the one who is being celebrated by Brahma, by the Vedic scholars, by the celestials, as well as Kavina. Kavina. Ina means the leader of all the poets. Who is he? Bilaja Mauni. Remember this. The one who was born out of an anthill. It is said that as he was performing penance, over him a termite hill, an anthill was constructed. An anthill is called Valmikam. Since he was born of it, he is called Valmiki. So he is called Bilaja Mauni. Bilaja Mauni Krita Charitra. So I should always be engaged in reading Ramayanam, which has been composed by the one who is born of the anthill called Valmiki, who is regarded as the leader of all poets and who has sung the praises of the person who can create magic with a multitude of arrows and who has vanquished the ego of the asuras in Yuddham. So Karadhrita Sharajala Asuramadhapaharana Vani Surasuravana Kavina Bilaja Mauni Krita Charitra Sannuta Shri Tyagaraja Dinuta.
करधृत शरजाल सुरमदापहरण वनी सुर सुरवन कवीन बिलज मौनि कृत चरित्र सन्मुत श्रीरागराजनुत जगदानंद कारक.
Narada said, now I have found a solution for all your queries. Tyagaraja, sir, after 1 hour and 40 minutes you have found a solution? Yes. What is the solution? We are not living in the times of Rama of Treta Yugam or Krishna of Dwapara Yugam. Though we are living in the times of Tirupati and Srirangam, they are still away from us. Though we speak praises of Hanuman and Valmiki, they are unattainable. The only way you can realize and beautifully relish the bhakti is only when you start treating fellow Bhagavatottamas with respect, because there are many Bhagavatottamas around you. Yandaro Mahanubhavalu. So that Lord, Yandaro Mahanubhavalu, the devotees are many in number around you. So then he says, they are the ones who will lift people who have fallen into the ocean of samsaram. Patita pavanudane. By speaking praises of Paramatma. Paratparuni gurinchi paramarthamagu nijamargamu tono. They will show you the right path. Nijamargamu tono. Paduchunu sallapamuto swaralayadi. With the knowledge that they have gained of Nadam and Nadopasana, they will be able to engage you, he says.
Patita pavanudane paratparuni gurinchi paramarthamagu nijamargamu tono. Paduchunu sallapamuto swaralayadi ragamuలు తెలియువారెందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు ఎందరో మహానుభావులు.
Such groups of devotees will be singing praises of the Lord. They may not know the best of Vedic knowledge, but simple words strung together with purity, serene, blissful, calm, replete with meaning. They will sing with the best of emotions that is interlaced in them. So they say, Hari Guna Manimaya Saramula Galamuna. It is like pearls strung together to make a step chain, filled with the qualities of Hari. Hari Guna Manimaya Saramulu Galamuna. Shobhillu Bhakta Koti Dilalo. You find kotis of bhaktas around. Telivito Chelimito. With full understanding and full of love. Telivito Chelimito Karuna Kalgi Jagamellanu Sudha Drishtiche Brochuva. And listening to their praises with your Sudha Drishti, with your mercy laden, nectar laden eyes, you can look at us. Hey Narada Maharshi, I desire such a union with the Bhagavatottamas.
హరిగుణమణిమయ సరములుగళముల శోభిల్లు భక్త కోటులిలలో తెలివితో చెలిమితో కరుణ కల్గి జగమెల్లను సుధా దృష్టి చే బ్రోచువారెందరో మహానుభావులు.
Hey Tyagaraja, you have just been saying generic things. Generally, group of devotees. Have there been such list of devotees? Can you please name a few of them for my understanding's sake? For the purpose of my understanding, could you please list them out? Then he says, Parama Bhagavata. These are the Parama Bhagavatas. Those names which are not here doesn't mean they are not Bhagavatas. I will list down a few. Parama Bhagavata Mauni. There are such rishis. Varasashi Vibhakara Sashi. Chandra, moon. Vibhakara, who's Dinakara Kula Kamala Divakara, who's sun. Sanaka Sanandana, the initial sons, the primary sons of Brahma. Digisha, the one who is the leader of all directions. When we do Vastu, we speak of 8 directions, right? The one who's the leader of all directions. Digisha, Sura. In Tamil Nadu, there is a movie itself, Sura. Here it means celestial. Sura. Kim Purusha, it denotes Kubera and his community. Kanakaka Shipu Suta. Kanaka is gold. The Paryayavachaka Shabdam is Hiranya. Kanakaka Shipu is Hiranyakashipu. Suta is son, Prahlada. Kanakaka Shipu Suta. Next, Narada. Narada, you are there in that list. If he excludes Narada, Narada will feel bad. See, he's right in front of him, and if he takes him away, Narada will keep waiting when his name will come. So, Narada, Tumburu, your counterpart. Pavanasunu, how can I forget Hanuman? Balachandra Dhara, who's Lord Shiva, who is adorned with that Balachandra. Shuka Brahmam. Saroja Bhava, Brahma. Bhusura, Vedic scholars. వరులు పరమ పావనులు ఘనులు శాశ్వతులు కమల భవ సుఖము సదానుభవులు గాక.
పరమ భాగవతమో నివర శశి విభాకర సనక సనందన విదేశ సుర కిం పురుష కనక కశిపు సుత నారద తుంబురు పవన సూను బాలచంద్రధర శుక సరోజ భవ సురవరులు పరమ భావనులు హనులు శాశ్వతులు కమల భవ సుఖము సదానుభవులు గాక ఎందరో
Sir, how can I learn the essence of all these Bhagavatottamas? Please give me references. That is when he says, Bhagavata Ramayana Geetadi Shastra Puranamu. Are we short of scriptures? Sri Dayananda Saraswati used to mention one incident. You go and ask a devout Muslim who follows Islam as the religion, Sir, which is your holy book? He will say the Holy Quran. You go ask a devout Christian, Sir, what is your holy book? Bible, the Holy Bible. You go ask a devout Sikh, he will tell, Guru Granth Sahib is my book. You go ask a Zoroastrian, he'll say, Zandavesta. You go ask a Sanatana Dharma following Hindu, Sir, which is your holy book? No, sir, welcome to my library. Because we have a plethora of books. Chaturvedam, there is Bhashyam for the Vedam, there are 6 Angas for the Vedam, there are Upangas of the Vedam, there is Itihasas 2 in number with commentaries in many in number, with Puranas 18 number, commentaries many in number, with Agamas, with Dharmashastram, with Arthashastram, with Ayurvedam, with Purvacharya Suktis. Oh my goodness, we are filled. So he says, Bhagavata Ramayana Geeta Di Shruti Shastra Puranamu. So he lists down. And the Rahasyam, the Gudartham which is there, which is being told to us by the devotees. I will have knowledge of that, and when I experience the knowledge of all these books, all the gods and demigods are looking at me. Muppati Mukkoti Sura. They are all looking at me. But all this, hey Narada Maharishi, is possible because of the Bhagavatottamas around me.
Bhagavata Ramayana Geetadi Shruti Shastra Purana Mulan Shivadi Shanmatamula Gunamulan Muppadi Mukkodi Surantarangamula Bhavam Mulaliriki Bhavaraga Layadi Saukyamuja Tirayur Kariki Niravati Suratpule Yagaraja Pule Navarendero.
Tyagaraja felt very convinced, composed, and could experience bliss. He said, Narada Maharishi, while Valmiki had doubts, you were the first to go and clear those doubts because you were a Sadguru. To me, you are my Sadguru again because you are able to clear my doubts. Just by having a conversation with you, hey Narada Maharishi, while I began expressing the flaws in me, then proceeded to describing the generic characteristics of the person whom I should be meditating upon, landed upon Krishna but was doubtful about him through certain incidents, then went to Rama and then landed upon with the Archavatara of Tirupati and Srirangam, then described about great Bhagavatottamas like Hanuman and Valmiki, and then spoke about the plethora of devotees that are around me. And now I say, with the love, with the premam that all the devotees and acharyas like you shower upon me, one day, if not today, one day, I will seek redemption from all the Sanchita and Prarabdha karmas that I have created. And then as I speak about the devotees, Yendaro Mahanubhavalu, I will be led to seeing the Lord who adorns himself with gold-like attire and who is so sweet, whose names which can be recited. And with those names of the Lord that I can recite and the form that I can meditate upon, I can achieve anything in this world. And with that, oh Lord, I can also see that He is the one who is the cause of this entire universe, and He is the ultimate to what we have been speaking about in the Shastras. And here I offer, Hey Narada Maharshi, whatever I have strung as one chain of 5 strands called the Pancharatnam to the Lord.
Premamu pirikonu vele namamu dalachevaru ramatudeina tyaga rajanu tuni nija asulainava endero Bani Risa Gama Damadani Gari Sani Risani Dapamani Dapama Gari Gama Ruchira Vasana Nima Padama Dama Nira Nira Garisam Sari masadi chani oh manasa sari chani oh manasa sari chani sari magari maparasara sari magari ri sari rava magari sari maparari sari gamari gamari ri sari baba ni sari ni sari pamare gamari do do kudare ne do ra kodu kubro chura ayel do 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 kudare ne do ra kodu kubro chura Sari pari sari rima pani pa magamari sari ma pa magamari ni pa magamari sari pa magamari sari pa magamari gama jagadana kara